Welcome to Motivation at Hand. To know is to know how. A skilled craftsperson, hardworking and proud. With talents and skills, they stand out from the crowd. Their hands create beauty, with precision and care. A master of their craft, with expertise are rare. In search of work, they travel each day. Eager to showcase their skills and display. To bring life to a vision, a dream to create. Their work speaks volumes, it's never too late. From metal and wood, to ceramics and glass. Their talents are endless, their passion unsurpassed. A skilled craftsperson, a treasure to find. Their work brings joy to places in mind. With patience and care, they create something new. A work of art, that's perfect and true. Their dedication shines, in every piece they make. Give one a call, because you will make a mistake. When you need something, crafted with care. Look no further, a skilled craftsperson will be there. Their work is their life, their passion and art. A skilled craftsperson with a gift in their heart. A skilled craftsperson is an individual who has specialized training and knowledge in a particular trade or craft, and possesses the ability to create, repair, and maintain objects and structures using specialized tools and techniques. Skilled craftspersons are typically trained through apprenticeships, vocational schools, or on-the-job training, and may work in a variety of industries, including construction, manufacturing, automotive, and aviation. These individuals are essential to the building and maintenance of our physical infrastructure, and their work requires a high degree of precision, attention to detail, and problem-solving skills. 10 skilled trade crafts, they are always a part of society. 1. Carpenters, otherwise known as rough carpentry, build, install, and repair wooden structures such as floors, walls, roofs, decks, and fences. 2. Cabinet makers, otherwise known as finish carpentry. They build and install custom cabinets, furniture, and other wood products. They use hand and power tools to cut and shape wood, and they may work with a variety of materials, including hardwoods, plywood, and particle board. 3. Electricians install, maintain, and repair electrical systems in homes, businesses, and factories. They also inspect and test electrical equipment and ensure that it meets safety and performance standards. 4. Plumbers install and repair pipes, fittings, and fixtures used for water distribution and wastewater disposal in residential and commercial buildings. They also may install gas piping systems and appliances. 5. Welders join metal parts by using high heat to melt and fuse them together. They work in a variety of industries, including construction, manufacturing, and transportation. 6. Masons use brick, stone, and concrete to build walls, floors, and other structures. They also may repair and restore old buildings. 7. HVAC technicians install, maintain, and repair heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems in residential and commercial buildings. They also may install and repair refrigeration systems. 8. Auto mechanics diagnose, repair, and maintain automobiles and light trucks. They use a variety of tools and diagnostic equipment to identify and fix problems with engines, transmissions, brakes, and other components. 9. Bricklayer, bricklayers build walls, chimneys, and other structures using brick, concrete blocks, and other masonry materials. They also may repair and restore old masonry work. 10. Machinists use lathes, milling machines, and other tools to create precision metal parts used in a variety of industries, including aerospace, automotive, and medical manufacturing. They also may repair and maintain machines used in manufacturing processes. Here are 10 industries that commonly employ skilled craft workers, with a bonus. 1. Construction companies. 2. Manufacturing companies. 3. Electrical companies. 4. Plumbing companies. 5. HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning companies. 6. Automotive and transportation companies. 7. Welding and fabrication companies. 8. Carpentry and woodworking companies. 9. Masonry and concrete companies. 10. Landscaping and horticulture companies. Bonus. Never forget your government, the United States of America. The U.S. spends hundreds of millions of taxpayers' dollars to hire and contract for work needed. Skilled craft workers are included. Now, here are 10 ways to enter the skilled crafts. 1. Research the industry, learn about the different career paths available within skilled trades, and research the job outlook and earning potential for each. 2. Get educated. Many skilled trades require specialized education or training, so consider enrolling in a trade school, apprenticeship program, or vocational training program to gain the necessary skills and knowledge. 3. Obtain necessary certifications or licenses. Depending on the trade, you may need to obtain certain certifications or licenses to legally perform the work. Be sure to research the requirements for your chosen trade and obtain any necessary credentials. 5. Build a network, attend trade shows, conferences, and other events to meet people in the industry and learn about job opportunities. You can also join professional associations or online communities to connect with other skilled craftspersons. 6. Get experience. Look for opportunities to gain hands-on experience, such as internships, apprenticeships, or volunteer work. This will help you build your skills and make you a more attractive candidate to potential employers. 7. Develop soft skills. In addition to technical skills, employers are looking for skilled trades workers who have strong communication, teamwork, problem solving, and time management skills. 8. Build your resume. Showcase your skills and work experience by creating a portfolio of your past projects and accomplishments. This can be an effective way to demonstrate your abilities to potential employers. 9. Stay up to date. Technology and industry trends are constantly evolving, so stay informed about new developments in your field by reading industry publications, attending conferences, and taking continuing education courses. 10. Always practice safety. Many skilled trades involve working with heavy machinery, dangerous chemicals, or other hazardous materials. Always follow proper safety protocols to protect yourself and others on the job. When it comes to skills crafts, OSHA's standard must be met. OSHA's Safety and Health Fundamentals Certificate Program supports OSHA's mission by training public and private sector employees in occupational safety and health to reduce incident rates for workers. Participants have the opportunity to earn certificates for construction, maritime, and general industry training. Participants can choose from a variety of topics such as occupational safety and health standards, safety and health management, incident investigation, fall hazard awareness, and record keeping. Courses are available at OSHA Training Institute, OTI, education centers nationwide. Skilled craft trades have been and will continue to be essential to our society. These professionals possess knowledge and skills that cannot be replaced by technology, and their expertise is required in various industries. With their unique abilities and dedication, skilled craft professionals will continue to play a vital role in building and maintaining the world around us. You like to work with your hands, get started and build, repair, innovate. Much appreciation to you for giving of your time with us at Motivation at Hand. To know is to know how. Please subscribe, thumbs up. We look forward to your comments. We trust you will come back soon.